Hello friends, this is JFlores and we're gonna do the weekly analysis, or what we are looking for this week to happen. We're trying to predict the market. Let's look at last week. Pretty much last week I put a cross arrow right here. This is where when we were doing the analysis last week. I predicted the market wasn't going to come down after this, which it did with that arrow. Then it was going to go up, and that's exactly what's going on. So I'm going to erase this. It's just like a marker for me to see if we are accurate in our direction. So let's see what we're trying, or the price action pretty much for this week. We take the Bollinger Bands out. The one we can be objective with the price action. As we know, we are strictly in a downtrend in the daily. We're gonna mark it right there. And we have a low here and a lower high, and then the market broke this right here, put it in a new low, and now it's potentially retracing to potentially start coming down again. That's the daily view. So once I look at the daily view, I go to the 4 hour. I would then put my Bollinger Bands, and oh wow, I'm missing my RSI. Let me get the RSI here. 1 second. There it goes. How many? I just have one indicator now. Oh wow, they only allow one now. I don't know what's going on. Why does it only allow one? This is the free trading view, and you're normally not allowed to have multiple indicators. Oh, there it is. Come on. It was hitting on the bottom right there. Okay, so in the 4 hours, we are predicting definitely to come in an extension to the bottom. I like to see divergence in the 4 hour in the RSI. So it's not very clear yet, although that is high, but I like the market to go a little bit higher, so we can spot a divergence. If we go to the 1 hour, we don't have it. So I like for the market to, and this is my prediction, it could be accurate, but normally this is my rules. I like for me to go into the market, I would need to see the market to go higher, and then start our extension to a low. I'm gonna put a marker here. That way next week we know exactly where we were this week. Maybe I can put instead of putting those lines, maybe like a little circle just right there. Let me try to do that with this. So I will put a small circle right there. That way next week we can just come and look for that circle, and that's where we were. Even if you go on the 4 hour, you can still see it. Yeah, but normally we're gonna look for it in the 1 hour. That's what I'm expecting for the Euro USD this week, and to get a more clear divergence for the market to convince me to go into the markets. Okay, I think I erased this one, but it's pretty much let me get rid of everything here now. Yeah, and Bollinger Bands. So let's do the price action real quick, and let's go on daily. So in the daily, we have this There's a new lower low, so my trend line, I don't use trend lines to trade. It's just more confluences that I'm looking in the market. So what I'm is definitely starting to trade it low, but I'm still not convinced. And when I say not convinced, oh, now that I look at the market, it looks better today. But definitely I'm expecting to anywhere to the market to start dropping, anywhere in this area. That's, according to my rules, that is the most I would say what I believe the most is going to happen. The market can just shoot up, you know, it goes against what I'm saying, but my conditions are met, you know, to start for the Bitcoin to start dropping this week. So I'm expecting pretty much for Bitcoin to start dropping from any of this. You could go higher, but to start dropping from this point. So I'm gonna put the arrow there, right there. UPUSD, let's do the daily. And on this one, and this one I did put a marker last week. Let's get it. And I was telling that I wanted it to go. We were here. I was expecting to the market to go higher from this point. Sorry, from this point. There's a marker right there. And I wanted a divergence to start going down, which we got it. You see this point higher, this point lower. That's a divergence. So I was able to get into this trade. I got on this area over here, and I got some pips out of that. So let me get rid of this. So that's our prediction. Now our prediction for this week. Let's look at the daily. Let's see if we have a trend on the daily. We definitely have a trend. So definitely the daily trend. This right here. Yeah, right there. Now, go to 4 hours. It is definitely reacting already. Do we have a divergence here? It is a divergence, and that's on 4 hours. A very good divergence. So I'm expecting the market to start dropping this one too. So I'm definitely gonna go in on this one. Probably gonna risk a stop loss here, and we'll see how it goes. So let me erase everything here. So I'll put a fresh marker. And let me get this. Okay, and other markets start dropping anyway from here. Okay, let's go to the odd USD. I had a marker here last week, and I'm expecting the market to drop, which it did. Let me see. I was expecting the market to drop. I was able to get this trade also, and I got out when they touched the lower band of the Bollinger Bands. Anyways, what I'm inspecting now, it looks like a nice divergence also. They're not super clear, right? But as a matter of fact, it looks so I'm a little bit, from all the other trades, this is the more that I feel a little bit nervous. Let's look at the daily trend and see. Daily trend, lower low, lower high, and lower low.
¿Estás probando, Soga?
I'm recording.
Pero puede hacer ruido ya, ¿no?
Everything's getting recorded.
Okay.
That was my wife. She was trying to show me something. Okay. So this is our daily trend. Okay. So we see that the market is reacting there. Let me get rid of everything so I can have it clean. I like to have clean charts. Boop, boop, boop. Right there. 4 hour. So it's the zone. It's definitely in the 4 hour. It looks like it's breaking up. As a matter of fact, let's look at weekly. So I will definitely find trend line will be here. It could be here. That would be way too high. I don't like that too much. So I'm very iffy about AUD/USD. The reason for that is it looks like it might start breaking that trend line, which is daily, but I will wait to see a reaction to the low. I want a red strong candle. That'll be like a clear reaction to the low. Okay, that's AUD/USD. So I would definitely wait right there for that one. 4 hours. I can't, and then I'm not sure if I consider this a what's it called, a divergence. So I'm feeling that one, so I'm just waiting to see a stronger reaction to the low. And then also we're gonna check is the AUD/USD, and that one. Let me get rid of the Bollinger Bands so we can do a click analysis. I'm gonna get rid of everything. And let's see, we have boom, boom. Let's do it together right here, step by step. Let's see, that will go here. I'll go here. Boom. It will definitely count down. And here and here. Now the market is doing this. So I'm definitely consider this is still an uptrend, if you can see. But there's a resistance over here. That's a daily resistance. And so we are we're definitely in a sell zone. So consolidating, obviously, the weekly up and down, up and down. But I like to see a reaction also on the USD CAD. So let's see how the Bollinger Bands look. It looks like it's reacting a little bit early, but we don't have a divergence. As a matter of fact, the divergence happened in this area right there, but that already started happening since last week. So what I'm expecting this week is for the market down here. It's definitely a divergence also. We have a divergence in the 1 hour. So I'm thinking that the market is gonna retrace, maybe go a little bit higher, retrace anywhere here, and then kept going pretty much a little higher for this week. Okay. All right. Thank you very much, friends. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs in Bitcoin. So please subscribe. Please like it, and see you guys next week to see how the trades went. Thank you very much.